How to increase RAM without installing any physical RAM. Hello everyone, welcome back again with a new video. In the video, we are going to increase your RAM capacity in your Windows PC. This video is only for Windows OS. Are you wondering if it is possible? How does it work if it is possible? You have no need to worry. I will elaborate briefly. This technique is known as Virtualization Memory Management Technique. Here is the definition. Virtual memory is a memory management capability of an operating system, OS, that uses hardware and software to allow a computer to compensate for physical memory shortages by temporarily transferring data from random access memory, RAM, to disk storage. Okay, let us understand with some easy language. It means that some of your secondary storage, that is your hard disk drive, HDD, or solid state drive, SSD, will behave like a primary memory, that is your RAM. There is no risk in this process. Let's do it on my PC. The operating system is Windows 8 and the system configuration is 4 GB of RAM and 1 TB of hard disk. Right-click on this PC. Click on Properties. Now click on Advanced System Settings. A new window will appear. This tab visualizes performance in a setting button. I'll click on the setting button. Another window will appear. Click on Advanced. Here is the virtual memory. Now click on Change. Now uncheck Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all devices. I have 2 drive partition C and D drive. Now click on a custom size. Here we have to allocate memory size. At initial size, allocate 75% of recommended. Here my recommended memory is 3540 megabytes. So my initial memory is 2655. I set it as 3000. My maximum size is my recommended size. Similarly, click on D drive and allocate memory as C drive. All done. Now click OK and apply. Now reboot your system. Now you can able to check your virtual memory increases. It will help you to increase your system performance. Do it as I mentioned. If you have any queries on my video, write below in my comment section.